Hello, it's Mové.
Anu upon, kadekute ekopon.
Let's go along and play the game with the aim of making Creole fun. In the last vid, we look at cool, blow, strike, hit, and cool kutla at glow, pani, mac. Lash of cutlass in water has no mark. Used to say gone without a trace. For the bonus game, I ask you what's the meaning of bon valet katwape cool pied. Bon valet katwape cool pied. If you said it means dedication does not pay, that's the correct answer. Give yourself a thumbs up. You are a wise one. Today we're going to be looking at Mové, like Mové lang, meaning bad tongue to bad talk people. Try saying this yourself. Kisa Mové lang kadi kot u? Kisa Mové lang kadi kot u? What does bad tongue say about you or bad talking people? Let's break it down word by word. Kisa, what? Mové lang, bad tongue. Kadi, says present tense. Kot u, about you. Note that Mové lang is used to scold someone who gossips, bad talk people, or use obscenity. So if you know someone who has those traits, you can use Mové lang for them. Remember, you're looking at Mové. Game on coming up. We're going to be looking at all Proverbs this video. Bel buko Mové lamowi. Bel buko Mové lamowi. Used to say nice barrel, bad saltfish. A or B? A or B? And the answer is don't be fooled by appearances. That's B. Note what is the literal meaning of the proverb, but don't be fooled by appearances. Game 2 coming up. Mové ciseaux gâté bon toile. Mové ciseaux gâté bon toile. Bad scissors spoil good fabric. And it's used to say can't do anything with bad tools. Can't do anything with bad tools, so make sure the tools are good. Here is your third game. Bo belme Mové mama. Bo belme Mové mama. Good mother-in-law, bad mother. A or B? It's used to say, worry about people's business, you neglect yours. Worry about people's business, you neglect yours. You're so caught up in being a mother-in-law that you do a bad job at being a mother. Here is your bonus game. What's meant by bon pied sauve mauvais corps? Bon pied sauve mauvais corps. A, B, or C? Let me know in the comments below. It's another proverb. Thank you for watching. Thank you for being here. Please like, subscribe, and share.
Anu upon, kadekute ekopon.